Hello guys, how to fix Netflix error code M73621269 on your Windows system? Or basically this Netflix error, oops, something went wrong, and basically this is a browser related issue. So to fix this issue, launch your browser. We will see on your Google Chrome browser, similarly on Edge and Firefox browser. Click on three vertical dots from the top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter, again click on three vertical horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here scroll down under privacy and security, click on clear browsing data. Clear your browser caches. This is the first workaround you should apply in your system and choose clear data. It will clear your browser caches, cookies, and help to fix the issue. The second workaround is to fix this issue is again click on three vertical dot and click on look for extension. Click on extensions, manage extensions, and if you have added any Google Chrome extension, then simply remove one by one all. If you have already added various type of Chrome extensions in your system or Firefox extension or Microsoft Edge extension, then simply remove it. The second one is again go to three vertical dots from the top right corner and choose settings. Click on three horizontal line and choose reset settings. Reset your browser settings to default. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, and choose reset setting. Your Netflix error will definitely be resolved.